Hey everyone, so I want to make a painting similar to this. This was made with ARTEZA pouring acrylics and it was like a flip and drag on wood. So I've got an 8 by 8 wood panel and I've got my colors picked out. I love these pouring acrylics. They are so nice to work with. And they don't turn to mud, which is a huge bonus. So for those of you, a while ago I had asked for TV show ideas, and a bunch of people had said Grace and Frankie, and I'd watched the first season but never then again. But now I am completely hooked. Like totally and forever hooked on the show. So thank you for that idea. So I'm going to start with neon purple. And then phthalo blue. Let's see if there's... Put it upside down for a little bit. Mid yellow. Neon pink. I'm going to try and shoot it down the middle. There we go. And some orange, which is just going to sit on top, I suppose. Let's see. Alright, into the blue. And then the white. And like, where is my spatula? I did gesso this wood. I always gesso my wood. There's some white paint on the tray. Intense color. I love how I did the swirly stuff. Oh, you guys know I like lines. Love lines. Lines are my faves. So this one turned out with a little less white negative space, but that's all right. And I will be resining it because I resin all my wooden pieces. I just like the way the wood looks better when it has resin versus varnish. To go off this back corner. Just going to do a hard tilt. Hang on. There we go. It's perfect. All the colors showed up. Right here we've got it's a blank spot. Just gonna touch up some spots. Okay. I love it. It's got the ribbons and lines that I like so much. Check that out. Isn't that cool? Oops. Zoom out so you can see it as a whole. It looks so dark. It's not quite this dark in real life. But thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.